Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade wrap for 30th of March 2021. Now, let's first quickly go and have a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a bit soft because of the hedge fund issue. Now, a lot of people want to know whether this would impact India or Indian markets. It's too small of an issue unless it becomes big. Right now it is a 10-20 billion dollar type of issue. So I think regulators are wise enough to deal with it. So there is no problem. So S&P 500 also, after two big days, it's kind of consolidating, likely to again move back up once this temporary kind of decline is over. Now, having said this, first of all, I would like to request everybody to like, share, subscribe, and if you are interested, you can join our membership services: platinum, diamond, gold, silver, copper, etc. And uh, basically, this is all personalized advice that we try to give. We have a particular style of trading, and that is the style we try to give on these channels. So for the moment, if you have questions, uh, call 98710 or email ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com, or if you want, just go directly to the join button and choose the service and just simply go ahead and do the formalities. Now let's look at what the Nifty is doing. Now Nifty basically is sideways, and sideways means you have these big declines where the world seems to be ending. Then you have these large rallies, again big declines, again a large rally. The interesting bit is today bond yields were higher, dollar was higher, the dollar index, but nothing impacted the market because it is in an upswing. One of the things that we pointed out to our clients is that have a look at this wedge which is forming. This sort of wedge where you had a bit of coiling up has today broken out, and I won't be surprised if you get back to 15,250 despite whatever is going on in the world. Yesterday I had given some conditions under which the downswing scenario will end. The conditions were that institutional buying returns, which it has returned. FIIs have bought 769 crores. DIIs have bought 2100 crores. So big money is backing this kind of rally. So my sense is that you should move further. The Bank Nifty moved, although maybe not as much as people would have liked, but I would think that even on the Bank Nifty, what you are getting is a bit of wedge, and that wedge we have broken out of. See, my sense is that people are short a lot on the Bank Nifty, and chances are that we should have some kind of rally back to 35,000. 35,000 has been kind of a mean level which has held on, and market has gone in both directions about 2,500 points. So that way 35,000 should happen in the next couple of days, but if not couple of days, maybe fairly soon. So now let's have a look at the pivot situation. On the pivot, first day itself, I think we have crossed the R1. Now on a weekly basis, next target is 15,160, and then we have 15,400, which may or may not come, but definitely the crossing of R1 on the first day itself is a very positive event. On Bank Nifty, we want this to get past 34,175 so that the Bank Nifty can also pick up momentum. So that is as far as the weekly pivots go. On a daily pivot, you are now above both uh, Nifty and Bank Nifty pivots. The Bank Nifty pivot is 14,780. The next target is 14,940 and then 15,035. These are all cash levels. And similarly, Bank Nifty, the pivot is 33,810 and you have 34,050 and then 34,236. I think in the next couple of days, 34,500 should happen. Let's have a quick look at the option chain. That picture has changed, and how. Now if you look at the pivot side, you have massive put writing at 14,500, 14,600 has 44,000 contracts, 14,500 has 54,000 contracts, 14,700 has 34,000 contracts, 14,800 has about 27,000 contracts. And I would think that even in the money, put writing is probably being done at 14,900. And on the call side, you can see all these negatives because there is covering of the short calls, and the open interest is dropping. The big gorilla is the 15,000 calls which continue to add open interest. If 15,000 is taken out decisively, I think another couple of 100 points can easily happen. And for the moment, on the Bank Nifty, again, massive call writing at 34,000. Once 34,000 is taken out, I think there is nothing much between 34,000 and 34,500, and I would expect even till 35,000. On the downside, you have huge put open interest at 33,500 and put writing at all these levels, 33,600, 700, 800. So my sense is that some sort of support is building up out here. So for the moment, the theory I have is, if you have one large green candle, 80% of the time you get another large green candle. Like you had consecutive red candles here, you had consecutive red candles here, you had consecutive green candles here. So similarly, more upside should not be ruled out, whatever happens. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, both looking positive. And once we can settle above 34,000, I would think Bank Nifty will also see some amount of short covering. So that should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.